We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room. I've been calculating strategy when to say hello. I've been waiting for my moment. Someone swooped in and stole it. Oh no, oh no. I see you over there with your long legs. And I should ask you to dance, but oh, I have my doubts. I've been running lines in my head, trying to play it out. But I was born with two left feet and one foot in my mouth. If the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Oh, so here goes nothing. I hope it turns into something. I'm standing on this high dive, just about to jump in. And that smile's like a lighthouse, guiding me to shore. I've been stalling here long enough, I can't wait anymore. It's a shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. So if the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight is the night. Tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. I got the letter that you left in my mailbox. Sometimes love ain't meant to last forever. It turns me back into the stone man I was before. Been diving back into that Tennessee whiskey. At least it has the decency to tell me it miss me. Open all my windows, lock the front door, and it'll be a cold day in hell before I let you back into my bed. And it'll be a cold day in hell. Mountains on the kids blue. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay at the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Pass me a cold one, we're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer, if it's okay with you. If the mountains on the cans blue, need one for both hands, baby, grab two. Lay out on the front and get your tan on. Water to my knees, 100 deep out of the sandbar. No keeping track of time, fuck a last call. Eyes on the prize, everyone looking like who she. Maybe off one in that two-piece. Water clear is my intentions, I could make it splash. What's the cost of risking it all? I can pay in cash. It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way, oh yeah. Ooh, put it on me, she my little pontoon shawty. It's okay at the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Ooh, put it on me, she my little pontoon shawty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Pass me a cold one, we're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer, if it's okay with you. If it's okay, you can slide. You can slide anywhere that you like. It's a try to take you on a ride. Making waves all day through the night. Hit the sandbar, baby, I can stand up. It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good shawty. It's okay, at the lake it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me, she my little pontoon shawty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one, only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
Pass me a cold one, we're only getting older, so I'ma go. If it's okay with you. All day, all day.
Where you been, darling? Chasing after God in a wayward car. It's time to get started. I can hear the echoes from where you are when all you got is breaking. It's hard to feel the ground underneath your feet when everybody's taken. You're holding so tight you could hardly breathe. And if all it is currency, just remember how to set it all free. Life ain't making sense again. Close your eyes and count to 10. I can see a little smile when you think of where you've been. If life ain't making sense again, thunder and lightning, chasing fireflies in your parents' car, just trees and power lines when we were holding hands in the flashing dark. Let's go back there and lie down. Life ain't making sense again. Close your eyes and count to 10. I can see a little smile when you think of where you've been. If life ain't making sense again, nah. And we gave it up now. For what? Faster cars, designer clothes, and air that's full of chemical. And we're going back now. For what? Fields are green to build a fire where you can see for miles and miles. We're not making sense again, but you make sense as my new